Good evening to all Ilonggos. We are here in Farm to Table restaurant. Kag we are blessed nga gin-invite ako sa third cousin ko to her mother's birthday party. So let's go inside the Farm to Table restaurant. Actually, arin ako sa inside. Drama. See, sa inside sa Farm to Table restaurant, they have a lot of foods. See, hindi niya sponsor ha. Sariling sikap ko niya i-vlog kay because invited ako sa ako niya third cousin sa iya birthday party sa iya mother. So, let's check the food. Rice to Palabok Station. Actually, kami na ang last nga magpanyapon kay later 9:30 ma-close na sila. So, this one is Rojas Scallops and Baguio style pinakbet, Mindanao chicken hamonado. This one is Binondo fried chicken. Ini gamay-gamay nga mga sotanghon. Why no name? Lechon. Lechon kawali. Wow, lado. Negros tempura. And of course, sinigang na isda. Ang gaso-aso. And then, ano kayo ito liwat? Ini kagina ang name niya? Roasted beef. Tag ang mga appetizers. Of course, ang kinilaw, ang mga tangkong, and the rice. Adobo garlic rice. Okay, proceed na sa ilang mga desserts. One. Okay. Ay, walang naunod ang ilang salad. And of course, sa kaginang manamit ilang kumba. Okay, that's it. Ang tanan nga food. Okay. And napagkita pang, may hari pa di. May hari pa di sa kilid. May hari gali sila na wala lang na-discover. May halo-halo. May dessert kag. May ice cream. Wow, may ice cream. May ice cream. So, nabuking tanahara na. Go! Proceed na di sa mga Masay hi lang ka mo, pagi lang ha. Si Taminya, happy birthday Tan. Happy birthday. And of course, ang mga relatives. Hi tita, mga beautiful. Oo, dirita na lang yan, the beautiful Santa Barbara. And of course, the unique na brother. Kanami namin isang suit niya, expensive. And ang ako niya relative, man basi nga taga maap, guwapo. Ay, sige ta. And a mother and daughter na parang siblings lang sila. The smartest kind of beautiful, passionate mother. Passionista na si Lenz. Siya to kagina nga ako, gin chika. Then, dito kita na. Okay. Ay, mga brothers. Hello. Pagyan talaga mga pagyan. Mga relatives, mga brothers and sisters. And diri naman sa pihak. Hi kamo, hi. 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 Happy birthday. Beautiful sister ni Len's birthday. Ano ko na ning. Sorry. Okay, and that's it for today. Secret lang ang edad, balaan ko, pero bata wala wrinkles ang celebrant naton. Wow. Ay. Anong secret ng minya nga? Grabe. 27 years. Huy, hala. Wala, gidya ka wrinkle, grabe. Perde mo pa ako nang ba ako may wrinkle. So guys, nakilala nyo na ang tanan ko nga mga relatives. Kag yung may visit din sa Farm to Table restaurant kay they have lots of food. Kag of course, na tilawan ko manamit nang gid. Di ba, tay? Di ba manamit nang gid ila food? O ikaduwa na ebidensya.
Second batch.
Second batch. Pala kaon gid siya. Okay. Sister, rate the food sa ilang farm to table.
10.
10, okay. Let's get sang ilang dessert bala. Dessert ning. Hello, sister ko nga gwapa. Ang mag-sisters.
Kaya nga, bag kong picture birthday ka daw.
Uy, ito pareho to kagabi. Gaway ko, di ba, last time, nag-live pa ko kagabi. Uy, ito tinurugan. Nagilang Ang kami anay salad. Tip po, mo dyan para ma-upload ko karon sa balay ning.
Sa balay mo na.
Oo. Oo. Uy, kaso Mamo, syempre, pataan nyo naman, di ba? Na hindi ako pero nag-vlog because wala ako sa gadgets nga manami. So, every vlog ko nagahulam. Kung hindi ako makahulam, ginatsagaan ko nga ako nga ginatag sa miga ako nga cellphone. But kung gusto ko gid nga good quality amo ni ang tablet sang ako ni Nablos nga bata to sang sister ko ang ginahulam ko. So later i-edit ko ni din. Watch out for my vlog. Go na ta, kaya na nakakuha na. Picturean ta ka mo. Very yummy. You enjoy? You enjoy? Biglaan sa akon mga relatives ha. Kaya i-picturean ko sila liwan. Gani.
In America, you have to dig into your feet and that's how you make a way.
Happy birthday namin. Secret na lang ang wish ng men This is Cheska, the daughter of my third cousin, and I'd like to ask you something. How old are you now?
I'm 20.
And I know that you're already in college. So what course are you taking?
I'm taking nursing.
Oh really?
Junior year.
So you mean what junior year? It's second year or fourth year?
Third year.
Third year.
Yeah.
So, in the States, what year is nursing? Is it 4 years?
4 years for college. 4 years college, 4 years high school, 3 years middle school, 5 years elementary.
Wow, a lot of schooling. So, in what school are you studying now in your nursing?
Small college in New Jersey called Remco College. But good nursing program, very popular nursing program.
Okay, so what are you planning to do after your college life? So, of your nursing, what you're planning to do?
I want to specialize in neurology for nursing or neurology, geriatrics. Hopefully pursue masters and end goal to be nurse practitioner, but I take one day at a time. So we'll see where the puzzle pieces fall.
Oh wow! You know, I'm not really good in English, but I'm already here asking Cheska, the very smart and very multi-talented daughter of Landemy. So if you're planning to take neurologist, you know, my husband is an aneurysm patient. So are you familiar with that?
Aneurysm?
Yeah.
I'm so familiar.
Oh, okay. So, in your field of specialization, is that like aneurysm? Is that what you want to
For
do?
neurology, yeah. Aneurysm, strokes, confusion, secretions, yeah. Things like that. Spinal cord injury. Yeah.
Wow. So amazing. This girl is very amazing. So can you give some advice to daughter like you that so that they will concentrate on their studies and what else you could advise them?
Follow your passion and
Uh-huh.
always listen to your heart of how much you can do. But
Wow.
always remember you're stronger than you think you are, and you're smarter than you think you are too. And don't give up. Find the people that you love and that you close to, the people that you do it for. That
Oh.
will continue to move you.
I know that your mother really raised you very good. So, what can you tell? What is the qualities of your mother that you really proud of?
Um, she may not show it, and I don't think a lot of people see it, but she's a lot more patient than people think she is. And she also doesn't like to show that she's very hardworking, but she's very resilient.
Really?
She will continue to fight for the people that she loves and won't will get the things that she wants with she's very passionate and that's what I admire about her. And she's so loving. Her heart knows no boundaries. She loves everybody. So yeah.
Wow, Lendami, you will be proud of your daughter. When you hear what she says, you will be proud of her. Okay, because you are an Ilongga, you have seen Iloilo already. So what can you say about Iloilo and can you promote it when you come back in America?
Yes. Amazing people. Everywhere you go, so many smiling faces. But that's congruent with all the Philippines. Great food, hot weather, but it's okay. It's okay. It's beautiful here, so it counterbalances it. And it's just the culture. It's it's the people here that make you want to be here. And they do everything they can they make to make you comfortable and to make you feel here. So it's the love that everyone has here that makes you want to stay.
Wow, Cheska, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye. Can you say thank you for watching? Please subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. She's the best vlogger.
Thank you, bye. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my vlog. See you on my next vlog. Bye. tubig tayo patugong?
Ano?
May tubig ng patugong mo?
Ay, dara tumad di malisong na dito.
MIWD nga naga ano Metro Pacific ano ba tay?
MPIW.
Ang katugong sa
Adra lang.
tubig.